In this video, I'll show you how to have access to the secret menu or service menu, depending how you want to call it, on your Philips Roku TV. So how is it done? Well, you need the remote control of the TV, and we're going to need to press a combination of buttons to make it appear. Let me show you which buttons you need to press, and then I will do it in front of you. So let me focus on the remote control, add some light. All right. So what we need to press is 5 times this home button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This button, fast forward. The middle button, play pause. This button on the left, again the middle one, and the fast forward last time. So this needs to be done quite quickly. If not, it will not work. And the remote needs to point to the TV at all times. So let me do it with you. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. Wait, and here we go. We have the special menu that appeared on the display. Now, on this special menu, service menu, you're going to have multiple options. You can go in system operations menu, change different things, system reboot, do your stuff. And once you are done, you can simply press the home button on the remote control to be back to the regular menu, and this is about it. Every time you want to access it, you'll now know what to do. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.